Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2019 32 Vantage. What a fantastic boat for this, especially for this area down in Naples where we are. It does everything well. You've got a fold-up seat, which you can put 3 to 4 adults on there. If you do want to throw a line across the back, you can fold it up. Comfortable, very versatile seat here both ways. It lounges each direction. You've got a dive door. You can get on and off from the boat very well here. You can the fish right on in. Large live well here. And then the helm, you got plenty of room up the helm. You can put two GPSs in here. You can move this over the smart craft around, but plenty of room for your electronics. And it does have the joystick, sideways action, takes you anywhere you want to go. Over to here, you got a adjustable companion seat here, goes up and down. And then you've got a little cabin if you need to get out of the weather for any reason. It turns into a little lie down area down there, so real kind of cool area. And then we move to the head. Very large head. It's got a skylight in it as well, so vacuum flush on there, fantastic. As we move to the bow, big U-shaped seating up here, big lounges up in the front. We have the windlass and the ladder for beach boarding here, so we can actually take it, drive the boat up into the beach, deploy the ladder, get on and off without getting in the water. It's great. Hard top is great. Sure shade is great. Does everything fantastic. If you have any questions on it, would like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.